How to create thumbnail in CapCut PC. In this video, I will show you how can you create a thumbnail or cover page for your video in CapCut PC. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly, import the video which you want to edit and then drag it into editing section. After that, you will see an option of pen beside the video. That is the option of editing the cover. Click on it and then you will see select from video. You can choose any part from the video if you want as a cover, or click on local to drag image to create it as thumbnail of the video. I will choose a particular part of the video. Once you find the desirable part, you need to click on edit. Now a new window will open. The part you have selected, now you can edit it. You can even add text into it. You have the option of adding templates. Now once you are done editing, you are supposed to click on complete. And after that it will appear as your cover for this video. And that's all. That is how easily you can create thumbnail in CapCut PC. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.